How does HelloFresh keep food cold and fresh?
I wondered the same thing before I got my first box.
First of all, HelloFresh ingredients only make one stop between the farm and the kitchen,
Which is why they arrive
super fresh and ready to eat. These tomatoes, for example,
were probably still on the farm when I ordered my box.
like most HelloFresh ingredients,
They're actually fresher than if I buy them from the supermarket, where they would have made several stops before going on sale. Even if I arrive home hours after my box is delivered, the ingredients are still in excellent condition. I never have to worry. Even the meat and dairy stay fresh and cool thanks to these ice packs. I'm big on sustainability, and with other meal kit services, I was overwhelmed with the amount of hard plastic packaging. But not with HelloFresh. They use innovative recyclable materials with their packaging whenever they can, and the food stays fresh for hours. In a nutshell, my HelloFresh ingredients always arrive in excellent condition, and that's a huge part of what makes every meal delicious. And that's why I trust HelloFresh. Just click the link to get a special discount on your box.